You are broke, money is tight, so you go online to find out different ways you can make money. Everybody has heard about online surveys, how you can make money doing surveys, but you never did them, and you want to find somebody that's not going to scam you, and you come here and you get your boy. All I ask in return, because I'm about to show you a survey that actually pay you, that's actually legit, that actually work. All I ask in return is some housekeeping. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment and let me know if you ever did a survey, how much extra money you're trying to make to help out the good old algo. So the survey that I end up signing up with from doing research is called American Consumer Opinion. As I'm editing this, I forget to tell you guys how to, or show you guys exactly how to sign up. And I realized I said 100 points equal $1. It's more like 1,000 equal $1. They like, look, the membership is free. You don't have to pay for anything. You can check this out on the website. Over $35 million paid out, 20 million surveys taken, and they are rated A+ on the Better Business Bureau. To sign up, all you just do is click sign up, put in your information, and sign up. American Consumer Opinion. So first thing first, you see it say a minimum cash out points, 10,000 points. That basically means $10. So every 100 points is $1. They do monthly giveaways, which I know I'm probably gonna never win. But you see it say surveys available. Orlando, how do a survey work? So you see this one is, we'll do a short one. This one is $1. Say take a survey. You click it and they're going to ask you like all type of questions. First, when you first sign up, you're not going to get a lot of surveys because they're going to analyze and see what's your qualifications. Are you male? Are you female? Do you have hair? Do you not have hair? Do you have this? All right, so you see it say this survey is currently paused. So they don't have that survey for a player. Do you have this survey for a player? So you get inbox so many different options every single day once you get in the system, and some can take from 10 minutes to like an hour or 2 hours. The more money it is, the more it's going to take. Share your opinion, make a difference, participate in a short study offered by so and so, a market research company. In addition to your opinions, we'll also ask to collect some personal information. So they want to basically ask this stuff. You accept it and you do the survey. So what is your birthday? All that good stuff. All right, so this part is simple. They're asking about appliances, which when buying appliances, quality is most important to me. Completely agree. I make points to investigate the features of the appliances, probably about a 4. So they ask you kind of questions like that. Now they're asking me things about when the last time you had flavored water, when the last time you had unflavored water, sports drink, and you are doing exactly what they are asking, and you are answering them honestly. Tea brewed at home. I haven't did that in a long time, but we'll say 12 months ago. Bam, and you keep on going from here. All right, it looks like I am finished. And sometimes it don't disappear. Hopefully it disappear, but sooner or later your account will get let's see, my account should get credited. Well, it says pause, but basically that will disappear and this will change. So if you want to cash out, you got options. You can receive cash. You can click the cash out option where you can get you a check for $20.35. But I don't want to cash out right now because I want to keep on racking it up. Now, being 100% honest and transparent, I could have been made well over $100 because they send me surveys every day at this point, but my attention span is terrible. Some of these surveys take over an hour, and this is how it would go. It would say, hey, when the last time you've been to these stores? Arby's, IHOP. They ask you like a list of like 50 stores. And then it will be like, okay, when the last time you went to Arby's, what did you get? Then you have to tell them. Then they will say, what day did you go? What time did you go? On your way going there, Did you think about getting anything else? When you was on your way going there, did you stop any up? And I'm like, oh my gosh. And what they would do, here goes some game. They will hide a question in the middle of these surveys to make sure you're just not clicking anything to answer. So in the middle of the survey, they will say, click this to let me know you are paying attention or a human. So if you're not reading all of these, you're going to do that wrong, and they're probably going to tell the system that this person is not paying attention to the survey. So, so overall, I believe it's worth it. I'm signed up. My wife signed up. You see, I'm at $20. I had it well over a month, but the longer you have it and more you do the sample surveys, they're going to keep on sending you stuff. And also, if you qualify, they will send you products to test to your house, and you get paid to test products. But for some reason, they always ask me about hair shampoo products, and I don't qualify for hair shampoo products. So let me know if you guys have a better experience with it. All I ask in return, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go.